The Australian share market appears to be headed for a solid performance today, despite Wall Street snapping its 4-day winning streak last night. Interestingly, the investor caution came despite a particularly strong reading on US retail sales, which indicates consumers may be beginning to loosen their purse strings, potentially a major boost for the US economy. But some disappointing German business confidence and talk of another round of Federal Reserve quantitative easing were enough to offset the retail sales data and prompt minor profit-taking on the New York Stock Exchange. And now on to local trading. The ASX 200 index is 11 points or 0.25% higher, with modest gains across the board, and we are seeing particularly strong performance from our gold producers, after economic concerns and a weaker US dollar drove the price of gold to an all-time high in overnight trade. Shares in Australia's largest gold player, Newcrest Mining, are up 2.5% to $40, while mid-tier producer Avoca Resources has surged nearly 4% at $3.27. And in company news this morning, shares in Origin Energy have dropped 0.5% to $15.56 after the company unveiled early-stage plans to build a hydroelectricity plant in Papua New Guinea, from which it hopes to export wattage into Australia's far north Queensland and the Greater Australia electricity grid. The company says it would be the first project to deliver year-round renewable energy baseload power to Australia, and it appears the concept has preliminary government support, with Queensland's Premier Anna Bligh calling it a massive win-win for both her state and PNG. On the currency front, the Australian dollar surged to its highest level in over 2 years in overnight trade and is currently buying 94.15 US cents. This is Sarah Holtmann for Young Stockbrokers.